Imagine all your hard work and passion for building your business going to waste in a legal tangle simply because you didn't take one simple step. Now, I have to confess, I have made this mistake as well, and I'm going to correct it. Let me guide you through why every self-employed person in the UK must have a will. When you're self-employed, you're not just managing a career, you're steering your entire future on your own terms. Unlike employees who benefit from corporate safety nets, you're in charge of every decision, every risk, and every reward. But here's the catch. If something unexpected happens and you don't have a will, the state's intestacy rules automatically kick in. These rules could decide the fate of your business, your savings, your personal assets, without even considering your unique wishes, because they don't know what they are. So why is setting up a will so crucial for us self-employed individuals? First, without the fallback of a traditional employment structure, your business and personal finances are intertwined. This means that if you don't clearly state how you want your assets distributed, you may find that your legacy is left in the hands of the law rather than your own trusted choices. So if you spent years building a thriving business like me, don't take the risk of letting the state distribute your assets. So what will happen without a will? The distribution of your estate will be determined by rigid legal guidelines, and unfortunately, it won't take into account your personal relationships or the intricacies of your business. This could mean that the person you intended to inherit your business might not be the one who actually gets it. That's galling. Furthermore, any ambiguity can lead to disputes among family members or business partners, potentially sparking lengthy legal battles that drain your resources and cause undue stress for your loved ones. So what are the options? Well, you can consult a solicitor who specialises in estate planning if you want that fully tailored advice. Probably quite expensive. Alternatively, you can opt for one of those reputable online and telephone will making services available in the UK. It's kind of our thing because it's very, very similar to Crunch. If your estate is relatively simple, an online will could be a great option. But for business owners like us, where assets are more complex, the telephone will service is probably the one that will make sure you get everything properly covered. Setting up a will might seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. For me, it's one of those tasks that I find difficult to get to, but we all never know what will happen. The first will I ever put together was at the beginning of Crunch, when it was super tiny and it took 3 hours in one evening with a proper estates planner and numerous email communications afterwards, and it wasn't as though I had much to divide up. Today, Crunch has grown up a bit, as have my boys, now 10 and 5. Life is hectic, and I'm sure yours is as well. In today's rapidly evolving legal landscape, and it's been updated in 2025, having a will isn't just about estate planning, it's also a strategic move to manage potential tax implications and safeguard your assets against future financial pitfalls. Proper estate planning can mean the difference between a seamless transition for your loved ones and a prolonged, costly legal ordeal that diminishes the value of everything you've worked so hard to build. It's important to remember that you don't need to be a legal expert to take control of your future. If your situation is complex, perhaps you have a couple of business interests or a mix of personal and professional assets. Professional advice is super valuable. A well-drafted will not only protects your financial interest, but also provides peace of mind, knowing that your legacy is in safe hands. So here's the bottom line for every self-employed warrior and small business owner out there: don't leave your future to chance. Take action today, and I promise I will too. Secure your legacy and ensure your hard work continues to pay dividends for those you care most about. It's a small investment in time that could save your family and your business from unnecessary hardship down the line. If you found this super useful and in the same theme as getting important things sorted that you keep meaning to, check out this video, The Pension Hack HMRC Doesn't Want You to Know in 2025.